Hi guys, welcome to Becodewala. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful pop-up effect like this. So, to make this pop-up effect, we are going to use HTML and CSS. Here I have given that subscribe button and cancel. You have to confirm have you subscribed to my channel or not. So if you are not subscribed to my channel, you can click on subscribe button and you can subscribe to my channel. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, you can click on subscribe button and subscribe. Then if you have subscribed to my channel, you can just click cancel. So I'll connect to the internet. So here if I click on subscribe button, it will go to my channel. So here is my channel. You can subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed my channel. So if you have subscribed my channel, you can just cancel it. So to make the pop-up effect like this, we are going to use HTML and CSS. So when we again refresh our page, it will show the pop-up effect again. So come to our VS Code. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe us and support us. So and don't forget to like our videos. So here is the basic structure of my HTML file. So after that, in this I have taken the title pop-up effect, and then I have linked my CSS file. In body tag, I have taken a div with class alert, and in this div I have taken a class confirm, and in this div I have taken a h1 tag and I have taken a exclamation mark. So after that I have taken h3 heading. So in this I have taken confirm, and after that I have taken a p tag. In this I have written subscribe to my channel before logging. So after this I have taken a div with class button, and in this div I have taken a class button. Here I have taken in above div I have taken buttons, and in this I have taken button. So and one more class b1. So in this div class I have taken a anchor tag where I have given my YouTube channel link, and here I have the subscribe. So after that, out of this div I've taken another div with class button and one more class b2. So in this I have taken one id cancel, so that you can click on and you can cancel, and I have written cancel. So after doing this, out of this div I have taken a strip tag. In this script tag, so I have taken document dot query selector. It will select our the id. For selecting our id cancel, we have taken the query selector. It will select our id. Dot on click means when it is an event so of JavaScript. So when we click on this button, it will work something. So what it will work? So I have taken a function. In this function document.querySelector, in this I have taken class alert. So in this I can show you class alert. So dot remove, when I'll click on cancel, so here is the cancel id. When I click on this, what it will do? So for happen something, I have taken the function, and in this function I have taken the dot alert class C main div. I can show you. So here is the main div. Here is the full this main div. So when I click on cancel, it should remove. When I click on this cancel, this pop-up should be removed from the web page. So for that I have taken dot remove. So it will remove this pop-up from our web page. So after this, come to our CSS file for styling this. So for the whole page I have taken margin 0 and padding 0. In this I have taken a font family, dancing script and cursive, and a font family Sora and sans serif, and user select none and text declaration none. So after this I have taken body tag. In this body tag I have taken a background color code. I can show you a background color code. So after that I have taken display flex, justify content center, align item should be center, and minimum height it should be 100 vh. So after that I have taken a class alert, and in this class alert I have taken position absolute, and in this I have taken z index 9, width 100%, height 100%, and a background color code. I can show you the background color RGB. So in this I have taken display flex and align item center and justify content center. After this we are going to target our confirm class. So in alert confirm class is there. Confirm class which is present in alert class. So in confirm class I have taken width 260 pixel and height 230 pixel, and a background color code I have taken. I can show you my background color code. So after that I have taken border radius 3 pixel and text align center. Then I am going to target my h1 tag. So here is my h1 tag. So in h1 tag I have taken a color of the text. So after that I have taken position relative and margin 20 pixel from top and 0 pixel from right and 5 pixel from bottom, and after that I have taken the font weight 900. So after this, with before h1 tag we have taken content should be empty and position absolute, left 50% and top 50%, and transform translate I have taken minus 50% and minus 50%. After this I have taken width 50 pixel, height 50 pixel, and border radius 50%, and after that I have taken a border 2 pixel solid and a color of the border. So now I have taken our h3 tag. So here is our h3 tag. So in h3 tag I have taken margin 10 pixel, 0 and 5 pixel. Then I have taken our p tag. So here is our p tag. So in p tag I have taken font size 14 pixel and a color code I can show you, and here is the text transform capitalized. It should be in capital form. So then I have taken the buttons class. Here is our button class. So buttons class I have taken position absolute left 50% and transform translate x minus 50%. And then I have taken width 200 pixel, height 35 pixel and display flex and justify content space around. Then I have taken the class button. So before we have taken buttons, now I have taken the class button. So in class button, I have taken margin top 20 pixel, color white and font size 15 pixel and text transform capitalize and display flex, align item center, justify content center and border radius 3 pixel and cursor should be pointer. So after this I have taken our can show you b1 tag. So after that in b1 class I have taken width 80 pixel and height 35 pixel and a background color code. I can show you the background color code. After that I have taken transition 0.2 second and linear. When you hover on this B1 button, so it will change the color of the button. I can, when I can show you in my page, when I click hover on subscribe button, it will change the color. You can see here. So after that, I have taken anchor tag in that class, taken text is unknown and color white. After this, I have taken the B2 button for the cancel. Here is our B2 button cancel. So in that I have taken width 70 pixel and 35 pixel height and background color code and transition 0.2 second linear, and after that when you hover on it, it will change the color. So after writing this much of code, you will get a beautiful pop-up like this. So when I click on subscribe, it will subscribe to my channel. When I click on cancel, it will cancel if you have subscribed to my channel. So this how we made our pop-up animation effect. So hope you guys like the video, subscribe the channel and don't forget to share with your friend. So thanks for watching. We'll meet in next video.